What's up, guys? It's windy. We're here at Kevin's house. Kevin is my stepdad. Say hey, Kevin. All right. And we're going to take a look at his project. This is the Rusty Toolbox.
I got this 61 Unibody. When I got it, it was sitting on somebody had converted it over to a four-wheel drive. The top was rusted out. I replaced the top. It's sitting off from the frame right now. I'm gonna put it on a Crown Vic.
Wait. You're gonna do what?
Set it on a 2009 Crown Vic top car.
So you're gonna put the body of a truck on top of a Crown Victoria cop car chassis.
Yeah.
That should be fun.
So it'll have power everything. It'll have the police interceptor motor in it. This truck was in way bad shape. I had to pretty much replace all the metal in here. I had to widen the step out for the frame, so it'll set on the cop car.
Yeah, you can see that you've replaced a lot of what would normally be rusted out in these. And then show me in the back what you've done in the back here with the bed.
So I replaced this piece. This piece was all brushed out, so I got this off from another one. I drilled out all the spot welds and replaced this back. And then underneath, I'm starting to restore the underneath, and I just sanded it down and put some rust fixer upper stuff. What do you call that stuff?
Rust converter? I don't know. Rust reformer? Is that it?
Yeah, rust reformer, and then I'll put the undercoat.
Nice. So, this is looking, I mean, it's definitely further along than when you first got it. A lot further along. You have, what are you going to do for the windshield?
I'll just put one in. I have the windshield and the back one, so I'll put those in.
And then everything besides, I mean, it's going to look like a truck on the inside, but then everything else is going to be from the Crown Vic.
It'll totally look like a truck. I'll even use the original instrument cluster. I'll probably put new gauges in the cluster. But I'll put in the Crown Vic pedal and the gas pedal and the brake. It'll have that in it. I still have to find a seat. I want to have an original looking bench seat. So
This is a big project.
yeah.
How far along? How long have you, like, when did you start it? It's been what, 3 or 4 months?
I started last spring.
Almost a year. Okay. But yeah, I mean, you said this is almost ready to put on there, right?
Yeah, it's pretty close. I need to start tearing down the Crown Vic now, tearing the body off from the frame.
So let's go look at the Crown Vic. All right, so tell me about the Crown Vic. This is a.
So I got this Crown Vic at an auction. You can tell it's been in a battle or two. It was from a police department. It washed off, but it had like rubber scrapes all down the side from tires. But this is the Crown Vic I'll use. It's got 103 on it. Runs really good. It's a pretty fast car.
Nice. Even got the Mustang rims going.
And the interesting thing about it is the wheelbase is on the Crown Vic is 114 3/4 inches, and the truck is 114 inches, so it'll sit right on there. You won't even notice. difference.
So this has been done before, right? This is
Yes.
something, and the reason, that exact reason, right? Because the wheelbase is basically the same.
Yeah, it's an easy upgrade. It's an easy upgrade to an old truck. Well, not an easy upgrade, but
He says
probably.
a year later. Well, that's pretty awesome. Well, we'll be checking in for sure as progress gets going. But this is an exciting build. What's next? What's the next step?
starting to tear this down. One piece at a time and trace out every wire. I'm gonna try and use the same wiring harness just in and out. So that'll be the next job.
All right, guys, it's windy and freezing out here, but just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of Kevin's build. Like I said, we'll be checking in every so often, hopefully every time I come over to hang out with my mom and Kevin. And I think that'll be a fun addition to the channel. We can keep up with Kevin's Unibody Crown Vic swap. That's going to be a fun thing once it's all done. So we'll keep up with Kevin as we go. Make sure you like, subscribe. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. I'm going to do a fun giveaway once we hit 500 subscribers. Give some stuff away to all of our fans and friends. In the meantime, stay tuned. We'll get back to work on the Volvo, doing some body work and all that. And in the next Volvo episode, we're going to have a little announcement about the powertrain that's going to be going in there. So stay tuned. We'll see you next time.